Hey there, Nitin here. I'm going to show you how to set up your footer in System.io effectively so that you don't have to build it from scratch every time. I'm inside one of the sample funnel accounts that I use to teach my students, and I already have a sample funnel open. I'm going to go ahead and hit on the edit page here so that we open the funnel editor. Let's scroll down and you will notice that there is a footer element here. It has a 2-column row, and in the first column we already have a logo, and in the second column it is empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and drag this menu element from the left elements pane and drop it into the second column. And once that has been dropped in, I'm going to click on the settings of that, and we will modify all of these. So what I've quickly done is I've added privacy policy and I've put in my link, and I've added terms of service and I've put in that link as well. And I'm going to align this center. And what I'm going to do is reduce the font size to maybe 16. And then I will change the color to white, and I'll change the active menu color to a shade of yellow, and probably menu underline to this shade of light green. So that is done. I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to quickly do one other quick edit. I'm going to center align this. I'm going to hit save changes, and I can quickly preview it to just show you how it looks. Now if you see, we have the logo on the left hand side, we have the privacy policy and the terms of service, and when I hover over it, it changes color to the color that I've chosen, and it also underlines the specific menu that I'm hovering over. Now I'll come back to the editor, and this is where it becomes really powerful. We're going to go ahead, hover over the section, click on this save icon here, which opens up this dialog box. Now basically we are trying to save this specific section, and you can give as any title that you want. I'm going to just call it as global footer, and it asks me, do you want to create a master block? So what exactly is master block? It basically, any changes that you make here will reflect across all the pages that you are using this specific block in. So I'll explain that with an example in a moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this specific thing, and this is the preview of the specific section that we're trying to save. I'm going to click on create. So what that basically does is it has saved this specific section as a master block. Now what we're going to do is click on save changes, and we're going to exit this specific funnel page, and I'm going to load the other page, and let's wait for it to load. Yep, it has loaded. Now I'll just scroll down, and I already have a specific footer here. Let's say I won't want that footer and I want my own footer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to blocks, go to master blocks, my master block, and this was the one, if you remember, this specific block was the one that I had saved there. I'm going to drag this and I'm going to drop it here, and that brings my master block. So any changes that you make will get reflected everywhere else. So let's drop in a specific text element. So I've just changed the color, I've added some text into it, and I've added a bit of a margin. I'm going to go ahead and save changes. And I'm going to exit this specific thing. I'm going to go back to my opt-in page. I'm going to click on edit page. And I'm going to scroll down, and if you see, it has added that specific thing which I added in the previous page. So this is one of the most powerful features, basically, if you're saving it as a master block, meaning you need to make changes only at one place, and that'll get reflected in across all the pages that you are using that master blocks in. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Bye bye.